Dear students, let us start with the uniform circular motion. What is shown in these figures to you? These figures shows the path of an athlete along a rectangle. The athlete changes his direction of motion at four corners, that is A to B, then to C and D of this rectangular track in every round. And in this figure, this shows you a hexagon and the path is having the 6 turns at A, B, C, D, E and F. It means while taking turn on this hexagonal path, the direction is changing 6 times. In the next figure, this is a regular octagon. In this figure, again the athlete is changing its direction 8 times. Suppose we go on like this and we increases the sides by a large number, we observe that as the side increases, the track is converted to a circular path. It means this circular path, the direction is changing at each and every point, because this circle is consisting of infinite sides, and these lines along the tangent to the circle is representing the change in the direction of the velocity, and this type of motion is known as uniform circular motion. Now, how we will define the uniform circular motion? When an object is moving with a constant speed but the direction is changing at every point continuously, due to change in direction, the velocity of the object changes, and this types of motion is known as uniform circular motion. One question arises here: what is the type of acceleration in uniform circular motion? Dear students, you know, if the velocity is changing, it means that is generating the acceleration. So this uniform circular motion is known as an accelerated motion. Now let us calculate speed of the body in uniform circular motion. For this, consider a circular path of radius r and the object is moving like this. So this is the direction which is changing. R be the radius of the circular path. T is the time taken to complete one round. V is the constant speed of the object, and S is the distance. Which distance? The distance of one complete round. So this one complete round means circumference. I have told you, for one complete round of the circle, the distance is circumference, and the circumference is 2 pi r. What is the formula for speed, students? Speed is equal to distance travelled in a given time. So you can write it. Distance is 2 pi r. Keep it here, 2 pi r divided by time. This is the formula for the calculation of speed along a circular path. What is velocity? Velocity is this speed but with direction, because velocity is the speed with direction. Now, one question arises here: what is responsible for the circular motion? Because if the particle is moving like this, one force is applied in the inward direction so that it can move along this path. Again the force is applied towards the center, so the particle is moving like this. Again the force is applied, so the particle is moving along the circle. These arrows are showing that a force is acting towards the center, which is responsible for its circular motion. So students, That force is known as centripetal force. What is centripetal force? An external force is required to move a body uniformly along a circle. This is known as centripetal force. So, in this lecture, we have completed the uniform circular motion, and one question is there: which quantity remains constant and which quantity is variable in uniform circular motion? The answer is the speed of the object is constant in uniform circular motion and velocity is variable. Why velocity is variable? Because the direction of the object is changing continuously at every point. The another question is the uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion. Yes, the answer is it is an accelerated motion because the velocity is changing its direction every time. The next question is what force is responsible for the uniform circular motion? The centripetal force is responsible for the uniform circular motion. This is all about the uniform circular motion.